Good morning to you all. Welcome to MagnaQ Softwares. Okay, how are you today? Yes, hope you all are fine, right? Yes, I am back again today. So, with another question. Yes, myself, Bhavika. Right, yes. So, today I am again appeared in your channel with the question. I think you are able to see the question. Why do you want to join for this company? So this is a question. I just wanted to make sure to tell you that how you need to get in select in the interview by answering this question. Okay. So why do you want to join for this company? So what's the inner question in this question? Yes. So soon I have been told so many things, right? About so many questions. We have been talked. What is the main question and what was the inner question that they are waiting for us to answer? Right? Yes. So today the question was, why do you want to join for this company? So the inner question, make sure you need to remember, you need to tell them what they need, right? So make sure to first you need to go and search for the company details. Okay, make sure to Google more about the company. Know more about the company. Okay, the first thing was you need to know more about the company. While you are knowing more about the company details, and you need to include these details while you are answering this question. Yes. What is the use of knowing more about the company, ma'am? Yes. I am coming to that. Yes. If you are knowing more about the company, right? If you able to portray yourself in order to convince them, if you are able to knowing more about the company as per their needs, you're going to select in the company. So whenever you are about to tell more about their needs in your skills, by aligning your skills with their needs, so that they will able to understand that what is the reason behind that you are joining in this company, right? So the first thing you need to do is know more about the company and include this one in your answer while you are answering this question. Yes, the second thing you need to do is align your skills. Align your skills with the company needs. Okay, you need to align your skills with the company needs, so that the interviewer will able to understand what is the thing that you wanted to approach there, right? So whenever they ask these questions, make sure you need to do these two things. In order to answer this question, you need to mention these two things. Yes, if you are able to mentioning about their company needs, so that they will be able to understand that okay, as per the needs that we have been required, you have been able to tell all your skills aligning to them. Yes, now I'm going to tell you know more about the company. Yes, you have been able to tell that one of my friend has been working in this company from 2 years onwards. So he has been keep on telling me that about the cultures, about the supports, about the learning, about the development, and about the things that what you have been working on, and about the launching, about the everything you have been telling me these years. That so that is where I have got interested myself to join this company. So that is the reason I have chosen your company to join, and it will be definitely a good answer. And you can also tell them that it was a growing company, so that is the reason I just want to join in this company. Along with the company, I just want to grow more, right? Yes, so that is the reason you can give to this answer. And coming to align your skills with the company needs. Yes, so what all the skills you are having? For example, you have been effective communicating skills, and also web management or web development, front end developer or back end developer. Okay, if you are with the certain skills, so by using your skills, you need to make sure that to tell them what all the requirements needed by them. Yes, So you need to align your skills. For example, I have been learned so many skills like technical skills and SQL, and also front end developer and back end developer as per the needs. So I just wanted to give my skills to your company in order to grow more, in order to give more, and in order to attract more people towards the company. Yes, so by telling your skills along with the company details, along with the needs that they wanted from you, so as you have been aligning your skills to them, definitely the interviewer will able to understand that you are able to why you want to join this company, so that they are able to understand then what is the reason behind that you have chosen the company. Okay, so that is the thing you need to tell to the interviewer, that why you have need to join this company. If you are able to understand more about the company needs, if you are able to, if the company need an front end developer or back end developer, definitely you will be able to answer them, yes, I am capable of doing certain things, so I just wanted to portray myself more, so I just attract more people with my skills by combining with your company. Yes, this is the things you need to tell, that in order to attract more people, in order to get selected in interview. Yes, by telling these two things, definitely the interviewer will be able to understand that what you are capable of and what your skills are up to, and how far you are going to improve your skills more and more by joining the company. So how the skills of the person will be able to understand, will be able to taken by the company to reach more heights. Yes, so this is the answer you can give, that knowing more about the company, know the needs of the company, and what are the things they have been launching, and what are the things they have been supporting, and the development and everything required by them, and everything asked by them as per their requirement mentioned in the job description. Yes, as per your requirements mentioned in the job description, I have chosen myself that I was able to get select with all the things that you have been requirements has been needed. Yes, so with the requirements needed, I have gone myself, learned so many skills. In order to improve myself, still I am learning new more skills. So with the skills I have, I wanted to join your company to reach you more heights and to attract more people towards the company. Yes, this could be the answer that you can give, so that the interviewer will able to understand that what you are capable of and what you are able to. Yes, so this is the question I just wanted to make sure to teach you for today. Yes, so for more questions, I'll just keep on updating the more questions in the YouTube itself. So for more questions, please subscribe the channel, so day by day you're going to get more questions like this, so that you will not be able to fear in the interview, so that you can able to portray yourself more and more in order to get selecting. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. So the link has been given in the Instagram itself, so you can able to come and watch the full video in YouTube. Okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, follow for more videos.